Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.